Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Lily. She had a heart as big as the sky and a passion for spreading kindness wherever she went. Lily's grandmother taught her the power of kindness through their special kindness garden, where every flower bloomed, every tree bore fruit, and every bird sang because of the kindness they showed to others. When a new family moved into the village, Lily's kind nature led her to reach out to them with a basket of fresh fruits. She met a shy boy named Sam, who was feeling lonely in the new village. Through Lily's friendship and kindness, Sam's sadness melted away, and they became best friends, playing together in the kindness garden every day. As their friendship blossomed, so did the village's spirit of kindness. The kindness garden flourished brighter than ever, reflecting the spreading kindness throughout the community. Lily's grandmother explained to her that kindness is like a seed that grows and spreads, making the world a better place. Lily realized that by continuing to show kindness, she could make a difference in the lives of others and create a world filled with happiness. With Sam by her side and the village united in kindness, they all lived happily ever after, surrounded by the beauty of the kindness garden, where kindness was the sunshine that made everything grow.